Yeah, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are watching REDBULL Helicopter doing aerobatics, whatever. I don't care what it's called. The YouTuber I'm watching is here, shows stuff. We're not partnering up or anything. Yeah, that's it. But I am gonna have it muted because, I mean, if I have unmuted, that would probably be too loud. See, but yeah, so let's get on with it. Hopefully there aren't any ads. The most exciting part of airplanes, I mean, this isn't an airplane, helicopters, takeoff. That was a joke, just by the way, in case you don't know. I don't know why I'm not subscribed to this guy. Whoa, okay, that's cool. Just cut. I was not expecting that, but like the plane is doing loop-de-loops around it. I wonder what the dude in the plane must feel like. Wow. I don't really know what to say to this. They aren't really close, but at the same time they get super close. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That looked like he was getting in front of the helicopter. The plane was getting in front of the helicopter. Oh. What's that doing? Oh. What? What? I didn't know. I didn't know helicopters could do that. But based on the thumbnail of this video, it was the helicopter upside down, which you guys didn't see. What? What? Are there even seatbelts in there? I mean, there's gotta be, but imagine there aren't seatbelts. I don't know a whole lot about helicopters. I only know some about airplanes. This video is like 6 minutes long. Okay. Going upside down, doing a loop-de-loop. How close is he to the ground? The thing is, when you're watching aircraft on the outside, you don't really know where the ground is. It's actually kind of freaky. Whoa. Okay. Well. Okay. Okay, I like that calm bit. A couple seconds ago. Whoa. What? That was like in one spot, and then he just like flopped down. That's a horrible way to put it, but well, yeah. How close? I have a question for you guys. How close are we to the ground? You're touching it, unless you're watching this in an airplane, but I doubt you're doing that. Yeah. I'm silent. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. It's doing a loop-de-loop. You're making me tired with all these loop-de-loops. I've seen enough. What? What was that? What was that? Are coming in for landing? No. Landings don't come in at a diagonal thingy with whatever the heck these are called. Helicopters. So there's blue sky, there's white clouds, and now there's gray clouds. What? We need some like GoPro action on the inside and stuff. Not sponsored by GoPro, by the way, but. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. How close are you to the ground? Okay, I need to know some stuff. I need to figure out how many meters you are. How many? No, meters is what they use in the UK. The customer. No, I'm not even looking at the screen. The other system, the metric system, and the customary system, we use yards. But personally, I'm from the US, and I like to use shoot, what's it called? Meters, which is in the metric system. If you don't know what that is, don't worry. I don't either, but I do kind of. Okay, fine. Oh, you weren't even that far away from there. That dude in the Venza or whatever that is, he's landing awfully close to that. But yeah. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Yeehaw, brother. Goodbye. Yeehaw, brother. Goodbye. Yeehaw, brother. Goodbye. Yeehaw, brother.